Hi, my name is Alex. I'm one of the software developers on the team FlyBy, and we are from Austria, as you can see here on the t-shirt. The biggest perfectionist. I think I'm the biggest perfectionist. And the wildcard is our team leader, Joelle. He's skilled in so many different things. I think for sure he's our wildcard. It's called Club Mate. Club Mate is a German caffeinated drink, which is very popular in Europe in the hacker scene, and that has been keeping us running for many months.